Hello gang, coming to you from Whistler, British Columbia, Canada. The kids still love snowboarding. I don't really kind of get on the skis anymore. Whistler's a beautiful, beautiful place. The Olympics were here 10 years ago, so the village is gorgeous. The Four Seasons, we always love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. When you hit the subscribe button, I can't say subscribe, it's too cold. When you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification. That's the little bell thing. That'll notify you when we have a new episode. So please, enjoy Whistler. What are we doing, Momo?
Zip lining.
Zip lining. Matthew, first time zip lining. Momo's ready. She's got her light because it's going to get a little dark.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Just walk out?
Yep.
Bye. No! Whoa! Have fun? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did.
1 down, 3 to go. Beautiful brook down there.
It's a babbling brook.
It's a babbling brook. Walking up to number 2. Well, that's amazing. What an amazing view.
Oh boy.
Getting dark as we go to the last one. You did it! No, you did it! We are in the Olympic Village in Whistler. It's a winter wonderland. We're walking over to take a picture next to the Olympic rings. Not too cold either. So, good first day. Good morning, ladies. Hi, Mom. Say hi.
Good morning.
About to walk the kids to ski or snowboard because I don't ski anymore. Do I, honey?
No.
They're laughing. I don't know why.
Last run.
Are you ready to go snowboarding?
Yes.
Start season.
Oh, God.
Fabulous Four Seasons. I don't know what that is. That is a sad looking snowman. Well, you two have fun.
Let's go.
There you go.
Try to taste it. Can you taste them?
Yes.
There you go. We're going up the gondola to have lunch at Christine's, which is like on the top of that mountain over there. We'll see if we can get the old lady on the gondola.
If I can get in a dinghy, I can get in a gondola.
Come on in.
I'm in.
Thank you. This is our view. It's a little cloudy, but we are up here at lunch, and Mom's taking a picture of me. Hi.
To the mountain.
To the mountain. Deep. Well, we are about to jump in a van and go dog sledding. It's a beautiful day. There's no blue skies, but it is snowing, as you can see, as beautifully as possible. And we're gonna go get on a dog sled. Here we go. Love your beautiful eyes. Oh my gosh, your eyes are so gorgeous. You too.
He's such a good boy.
What kind of dog would you, are these?
So they are Alaskan Huskies.
Huskies,
So-
okay.
These little guys.
But this team is good with the snow conditions too. It's pretty good.
It's getting loud now.
Yeah, you'll notice the energy will start to increase in the
Yeah.
next 5 minutes.
So getting excited to go.
Yeah. You won't even be able to hear me speak. I'm gonna shout over everyone.
We're getting excited. I got him. Whoa, whoa, yellow snow. Take a break. Oh, look at you two. Very loud right now. They're very excited.
You ready?
I'm ready, let's go. Here we go, whoa. Wow. That's a lot of power. Wow. That's amazing.
I should have worn goggles.
Yeah, me too, but I'm okay with it.
So halfway we stop and give the dogs a rest, and we enjoy this view. Are you happy, big boy? Yes, you are.
That dog is literally part coyote.
He's so
Is he?
cute. Oh, and look at his face. You can kind of see.
Lots of yellow snow. Gotta watch your step. Very loud again. Because we're loading up, about ready to go. It's very loud. Was it everything you wanted it to be?
I need to go blow my nose.
Okay. Did you have fun too?
Beautiful. Yes.
You guys were wonderful. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Olympic Village is an amazing little place. It's like an outdoor mall, basically. All the hotels are connected to it, as are the restaurants. It's a beautiful place to stroll around and spend money. And for me, I get altitude sickness, so that's why we don't go to Mammoth or places like that. We come to Canada because it's only like 2,500 feet here and snowing like crazy. It's beautiful.